second longest cable bridge in the Philippines after Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Ngayong araw ay puntahan naman natin ang Marcelo Fernan Bridge, locally known as Second Cebu Mactan Bridge. Dati tinatawag din po itong Consolacion Bridge. Marcelo Fernan Bridge is an exodus cable-stayed bridge. At ito po ay matatagpuan sa Cebu. It crosses Mactan Channel connecting Mandauecity in mainland Cebu and Lapulapucity in Mactan Island. Currently the second longest cable bridge in the Philippines after Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway, which also crosses the Mactan Channel, maintained by Department of Public Works and Highways. Ito po ay ginawa noong 1996 at natapos noong 1999 and open to the public on August 3, 1999. So ito pong direction natin ay galing ng Mandauecity at papunta tayo sa Lapu-Lapu City. 2 lanes pala ang karsada nito, guys. I hope you enjoy the ride. Sa mga sumusuporta po sa akin, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please mag-subscribe na po kayo. Road to 60 subscribers. And don't forget to click the bell button para naman ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong uploads.
I love Cebu.
At ito namang way na ito, guys, ay papuntang Mandauecity from Lapu-Lapu City. So sa part na ito, guys, may pwedeng pasyalan, no? So dadaan ka lang dyan sa gilid, guys, at pababa dyan may basketball court at may mga cottages din para gustong magbanding with their friends and families. May mga video po dyan at barbecue stall. At pwede rin naman mag-jogging dyan sa baba ng bridge, guys. At pwede rin naman din mag-jogging dito sa taas, guys.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say? Suffered silently, wanting to be erased. There's a reason to believe again when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and stand on solid ground. You keep searching for a hero. You just want to find a friend. You just want to make a difference. Bring this battle to an end. All the words can make you stronger when you learn how to look within. 'Cause you're the hero that you're after. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero. Have you ever wanted peace, to feel the freedom of release? Whispered quietly, but now it's time to scream. 'Cause mercy triumphs over judgment. Light will always shine in darkness.
God bless us all. Salamat po sa panunood.